guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited because I have a brand new seasonal box to bring to show you guys. This is the first time me having this on my channel, and this is the Breo box. That's what's inside here. Do you want to know what this is about and what's going to be inside my summer box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my summer box just arrived. I signed up with this one. I've been seeing it and watching it for a while, and I honestly think me and Abadabs talked about it like over a year ago. We're like, oh my gosh, it's so expensive, and we just stopped thinking about it. And then every now and then I go back and I look and I see what is in here, and I look and I'm like, all right, so fine. So I finally pulled the trigger and I went ahead and purchased it. And let's go ahead and see. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box because on their site, when I keep looking, I see them in other boxes inside. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna tell you about the company because it's what I do when I first bring a box to my channel. I tell you about the company first, and then after that, I tell you at the end. In case you caught the first one, you don't need to hear it all again in the beginning. So when you open it up, it is down inside. It looks like there's a box inside of a bag. So let's pull this out. Okay, so now that I got it out of the box, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about the company, and then we're gonna see what's inside the summer box. I'm so excited. Okay, so the Breo box is a seasonal subscription service for both men and women, curated with the coolest and most unique products that you never knew you needed. Discover the latest tech, gadgets, home goods, fitness products, and more, all to embrace your lifestyle. Handpicked every 3 months, curated to fit the season and delivered right to your front door. A fun surprise of unique tech-savvy products every season of the year. So if you do one seasonal box, this is the most expensive one that I have bought. So one box at a time is $159 with free shipping. You get one new box every 3 months, contains up to $300 worth of products. So if you go ahead and prepay for an entire year, you actually save $57 that way, and it brings it to like $579 for the year of 4 boxes. So you will get 5 to 8 items that revolve around everyday essentials, fitness and health and technology. So let's go ahead and see what is in here and see if I made a good choice to finally get this box, because good thing I paid for this before all of this stuff happened, or else I wouldn't be able to afford it right now. So let's go ahead and get in here. And if you see, this is my favorite color. So the first box is already starting off really good. The first box is already starting really good. So it says Breo box right there. And I thought, like, looking at their website, it looked like their boxes came in a really nice, like, wooden reusable thing that like slid out, and that's not what this is. So I don't know if they switch it up from time to time, or if now they're doing it this and I missed that nice looking box. I don't know, because again, this is my first time, so I'm not quite sure what to expect. So let's go ahead and get in here. There's little tape right here, and then you pull it, so it's a magnetic closure. And then when you open it up, it looks like this. So do we have a card? Yes, it looks like there is a card right here. And it says Summer 2020 Edition. Experience the box. And let's see. I'm excited. I'm always excited when I get new boxes. So let me just pull out the first thing that I'm seeing. This says Approach Apparel. I'm not sure what this is, but let's take a look. Let's find it. Okay, so this says the Hip Circle. What is it? A durable, high quality resistance band that won't roll, snap, or pull on your skin during your workout. This extra wide band has interior rubber threads to improve grip during your workout. Say goodbye to traditional mobility bands and hello to the hip grip. Hold on, let me open this. So there's the logo, and it is a workout band. And on the inside, it does have like this, yeah, I can totally tell how that's gonna stay put. That is actually, I've never seen one this nice before. I've seen like the little, they look like rubber bands, but not this actual quality. So this says pull the hip circle just above your knees to perform various workouts that activate your glutes and lower body. Use this as an alternative for mobility training or even to practice your form and alignment. Key features: extra wide 3-inch band, level 2 resistance, ideal for activating glutes and lower body. Various workouts available by changing placement, and this is valued at $25. So here's the $25 value right there. And it shows that guy right there using it on his legs. So there's item number 1. I'm actually, like I said, I'm actually really excited because I do have a set that came with something, but they're more like rubber bands or like a plasticky material. They're not like this with that little like slip resistant part right there. This is really nice quality. I'm actually really impressed with that. So then next we have, it says in-car wireless charging cradle, and I don't have one of these either. So here's this. Now this right here says it's a TA-8, is a universal in-car smartphone cradle that displays your phone exactly where you need it while driving. Its QI wireless charging keeps your phone charged without getting tangled in wires while in, oh, so it's a wireless charging. That's cool because my phone charges wirelessly. I'm reading and it didn't even dawn on me. Keeps your phone charged without getting tangled in wires, while sensors enable one-hand monitoring by automatically opening and closing. How to use: mount it on your windshield, your air vent, and plug it in. Okay, so you can plug it into like the USB. Let's get this opened. So in here you have the charger, and you have like, I guess, a little piece to mount it. And then here is the actual device. And then here is the part that you can put it like on your windshield or your dashboard. And then I guess once you plug it in, it has this little, it has a sensor right here. So it senses when you're coming near it and it'll open and close accordingly. That is actually really neat. And it's a wireless charger. I like that. So I'm actually really excited. I'm really excited about this. Ah, all right. I never knew they had them like this, but wireless charging. You learn something every day. Now it says the key features is compatible with all smartphones, featuring the wireless technology, the sensor that automatically opens and closes, and it mounts on the windshield and the air vents, and that values for $88. So $88 for the first one, $25 for the second. We're already over $100 of value. Next we have is, it says Clean Key, the safe way to avoid contaminated surfaces for doors, touch screens, buttons. Like, oh, this is actually really neat. And you know what? Right now, we really could use one of these, and I'm actually really excited, and I'm probably gonna go and buy one of these for my man too, so he has one. But it's a copper alloy. It says made with copper alloy, over 60% copper. So you can use it to actually open up doors, to push buttons, like if you're at the gas station or the bank or anything like that, a gate code to get into an apartment complex, anything like that, elevators, and you can put it right on your keychain. See how they open the door? That is really neat. So it's like an all-in-one. It's an airtight sealed for your, this is airtight and sealed for your protection. So what it says in the book for this, it says, these times are changing, and now more than ever, there's a need for preventative measures. Yes. The Clean Key is a brass hand tool that can easily grab and utilize when you're out and about. Eliminate the need for touching doorknobs, handles, keypads, and more. Kills 99% of bacteria in 2 hours. So even if you toss it back in your pocket or whatever, you wouldn't have to worry about anything being on it after 2 hours. Clips into the keychain, and this retail values for $25. And I'm serious. I'm really glad that I have this, and I can just stick my key ring right on that hole right there, and then I have it with me at all times. I really like the fact with the touchscreen Because even signing, like if I have to sign for something, sometimes I have to like push something, like I have to touch things from people. Now I can use that and just sign with it. I can touch keypads, I can open doors, I can touch the stuff at the gas station. I'm like gonna feel so much safer with this right here. So I'm actually really excited about that. But if you guys want to check this out, I'm sure you can go to that company right there, or find any company that sells that to purchase just this if you would like to, because right now that's really going to come in handy. Okay, so let's keep on going. We have mute, breathe more, snore less, sleep better. So this is actually really neat. This is a trial pack, small, medium, and large. Find your ideal fit, so try all 3 sizes, and it gently opens your nose. And sometimes I know when I'm sleeping, I kind of feel like this is pushed in. So sometimes I literally have to push out, like to feel like I'm getting proper breathing. Sometimes, I don't know, it's really weird. I don't know if I have clogged sinuses or what, but I'm gonna try this and see if this helps. That might actually help me breathe better. Look at it. It goes like that inside your nostrils. And this right here is valued at $20, and it says mute comfortably fits into your nasal pathway and delivers 25% more air while you sleep. It has been clinically proven to help you snore less and increase sleep quality. I'm gonna try it and see if it'll help me like breathe, feel like I can breathe better at night anyway. So I'm actually excited. This is like, I was not expecting all of this type of little things. I know my man's probably more excited about this box than I am going to be, because the tech savvy, and there's one item that was a spoiler that he's really excited about. But I'm actually really excited for all of these items. Like, I'm really glad I got this box. So far, I am extremely glad. So then now we have this something right here, and it says Riker roll? Like Riker roll? I don't know. Uh-oh. What is that? What is a Riker? Let me see. I can find this in the book. So it says MYORYKR. And it's a roll. Roll away massage pain and daily stress with this portable roll. Okay, so this is what you do with it. You see how he's rolling it on his shoulders. So it's like a massage roller. Okay, and this is valued at $25. So let's get this open and see what it is. It even comes in this little pouch. And there's that curved handle with that. This kind of reminds me of the little ones that we have like for our face, but this is way bigger and it's a lot heavier, and you use it. Oh, whoa. Okay, I feel you. It kind of like goes, it pushes in like, huh, that is okay. I could really use this right now with, I've like laid down over 100 bags of rocks in my yard in like 3 days. So I'm really gonna be using this on my shoulder blades. See this, oh my gosh, I'm loving this. Totally not like a normal box that I get, but I'm really glad that I got this. Okay, you guys, so now we have this right here. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is I heard this moving in my ear and I thought something was falling on me. This is ONIVA blanket tote, outdoor picnic blanket. And basically it's just like a travel blanket. I don't want to unroll it all right now. But I guess you maybe take this part off. That opens that, and then you roll it out, and it has this, which that's really good. So that will go on the ground, and it has a nice little padded area. And yeah, so that's actually really neat, especially if you have kids and they go to the park or they have games or whatever. You can take this and put this on the ground and just sit there and watch them. And so you can see like this gentleman right here that is sitting on it with his little dog. Looks like they're in the yard or the park or something like that. So that's really neat. And it looks like it might have came in other colors, because the one down there, you can see the corner kind of has like a white and blue pattern. The one at the, sorry, I wish I had 3 arms sometimes, right there. but this one is all blue. It's my favorite color. And then you can undo this and you have a full strap. I've never seen like a portable blanket like that, and you can always leave it in your car. And if you ever go somewhere, you have it. All right, you guys, so let's go with this last item. And this last item is the one that my man was excited about. When I showed him, when I was debating if I should finally plunge and get this one because of the price, and he saw this particular item, and 2 days prior, he was talking about getting one. So I think that's why he was like, yeah, go for it, because he knows this would be his. This is a portable LED projector. And did I tell you that blanket value is at $21? And now this right here is valued at $65. It's a portable projector that is both light and small enough to be carried around with you wherever you go. With a built-in speaker, multiple ports, micro SD slot, remote control, and outlet plug, you have a variety of options to play your favorite visuals for everyone to enjoy. And this is HDMI input, can project up to 60-inch screen, 30,000 hours of LED lamp life, audio ports for external speakers plus a built-in speaker. Included is the projector, the remote control, power adapter, ACA AV cable, and again, this is $65. And it looks like it's going to be yellow, or it's like it's like an orangish color. So here is the actual projector. So I'm sure he's going to definitely have fun playing with this. So that is everything that came in this summer box, you guys. Definitely we're all high tech with all of this stuff that's in here. Does this tell me how much the total value is all added up together? No. It does give you instructions on how to set up the projector though. So that's neat. I will go ahead and add up everything and put my total retail value for this summer box right here. And yeah, so again, we have the projector. We have a travel blanket. We have a massage roller upper, which I'm definitely going to be using. This is the most unique thing, and especially right now, we definitely need things like this to help protect ourselves, because we can't keep buying gloves, especially when they're sold out and they're not restocking. So that will help protect our hands. We have this, which I'm going to try to see if it'll help me breathe better at night. We have this really cool wireless charging phone stand for your car. And then we have this hip circle to help resist when you work out. This is a really neat box. So that is everything, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? Have you seen this box before? Do you want to purchase this box? Again, I was super scared because of, not scared, but I was just so nervous to spend that much money on a box, because $160, you know how many boxes I could have gotten for this one? But nothing of this type of value or magnitude or products or anything like that. And I really like that, because it just brought some things to me that I've never knew were even out there. Like it said, what did it say? You're gonna get things that you never knew you needed. And that's exactly what just happened. That is exactly what just happened. So I'm actually really glad that I took the plunge and got this to not only see what was in it, but to show you guys too. So I'm actually really excited. So definitely comment down below. Let me know, what are your thoughts? What do you think of all of this stuff? Only because I know this is all more like a higher end, high tech savvy type box. I'm really thrilled. I'm definitely happy with my purchase. Definitely happy with my purchase. So that is everything that I have to show you guys. Again, let me know down below your positive interaction. It means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.